Hello and welcome. My name is Debbie Reed. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Today I'm going to show you a technique on how to die cut in mass. So this stamp set has a lot of dies. So you have 6 or 7 of them, I believe. So there's the flowers, the little fence, you have this little flower, and I have one more, but I messed up on that one, so it gets excluded from the party today. But I'm going to show you how you can mass produce these super quick, where you only have to die cut one time, and then your life will be wonderful. So we're going to take our Stamparatus, and I'm going to show you the process how you do this. So you're going to take, I cut a 6x6 paper. You're going to take your stamps, you're going to lay them on your 6x6 paper, however you want them. Let me put that in the video so you can see what I'm doing. Then you're going to ink your stamps, you're going to close the lid, and then you're going to get an impression. Once you have this impression, this is when you need to be really fussy, and you have to make sure when you're putting the dies, you're going to take this to the Big Shot machine, you're going to line these up exactly, and then you're going to die cut them. When you're done die cutting them, you're going to end up with a template. So like I told you, we're not going to use this one because it didn't die cut as well as I wanted. It's okay, but it wasn't to my liking. So I'm going to show you how now, once you've die cut all your little pieces, let me show you. So I die cut a whole bunch of pieces. This goes super quick because you're not lining it up with anything, you're just cutting. So then you're going to take all the pieces that you just die cut, you're going to put it back into your template because you just die cut these all out, so they're all going to fit back in. Then you're putting all the little pieces and put this in. And this way you can actually stamp all 6 pieces at once. And that is a lifesaver. This guy would have gone in there, but he messed up, so he doesn't get to be part of this party. And then we'll put this piece in. Okay, here we go. Now the trick is you have to make sure the pieces are in the template exactly, where this one just came out. And because these are photopolymer, you need the matte. And because I'm dealing with so many, I need to put my magnet down so this paper doesn't slide. Okay, we are good. Now you're going to take your ink, you're going to ink up your stamps, and I'm just using the Memento Black. You can use whatever color you would like. I'm just doing this to show you how quick and easy and wonderful this is. I like to have the black borders, and then I would just, when I'm done making all these, you just, oh, I inked this one and didn't mean to. Hold on, we have to wipe this one off. That was our mistake one. So then you go and you press this down. When you're doing the Stamparatus, you also want to stay off of this perimeter because the stamps can't push down. You can't push the plate down on the edge. So you want to kind of stay on this outer section. So we are now pressing these, and all the pieces are now perfectly inked. Boy, they do stick to these photopolymers. Look at that, they're all perfect. And then you just keep repeating the process. And every one of them will turn out perfect because you lined each and every one of them up on the Big Shot. So, I hope you liked my tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to subscribe, I would appreciate it. And hit the bell if you'd like to be notified of more videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll go make something uniquely yours. Have a great day. Bye.